Can you say hey to Grammy? Say hey to Grammy. Tell her I got the hiccups. Say I love you, Grammy. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.